Gang paint and siding installation cuts per unit costs by coordinating crews to work on several houses in sequence. Coordinating gang paint and siding requires tight scheduling and clear scope documents so crews can move from one house to the next without delay. Start by grouping houses by identical exterior finish so painters and siders use the same paint and siding profiles, which reduces cutting, mixing, and setup time. Pre-schedule material deliveries to arrive staged by lot sequence so crews never wait for supplies, and so trucks make fewer stops. Communicate exact delivery windows to suppliers and track shipments daily. Designate a single on-site staging area for each block of houses and mark materials per house to avoid rehandling and to speed distribution to the workface. Use a simple checklist for each trade that the foreperson signs when leaving a house, so quality issues are caught immediately and do not require return trips. Train crews on a repeatable workflow for surface prep, masking, and cleanup so each house takes a predictable amount of time and you can confidently build a gang schedule. Common mistakes include grouping houses that have different finish details, which forces crews to stop and reconfigure tools in slow progress. Solve this by matching houses by finish specification before creating the gang schedule. Another issue is poor delivery coordination that leaves crews idle while waiting for materials. Avoid this by locking delivery windows, confirming with the supplier the day before, and having a small buffer of consumables on site. A third problem is inconsistent staging that creates clutter and lost time when crews move between houses. Fix that by marking staging zones, labeling bundles for each house, and assigning a runner to distribute materials quickly. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like gang painting and siding so people can find local options and share experiences. Our community discussion area helps builders and homeowners trade scheduling tips, recommend suppliers, and coordinate work across multiple houses.